Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be diving straight into our topic, how to customize Slack's channel header, a full 2025 guide. First off, open your Slack and navigate to the channel you want to customize. The reason we do this is to ensure we are on the right channel where we need the changes to be implemented. Next up, locate the channel name at the top and click on it. This helps us because it opens up the channel details where we can make our desired changes. Now that we've done that, you'll notice a pencil icon right next to the channel's name. Click on it. Let me explain why this matters. This step allows you to edit the channel's name, topic, and description. Having clicked the pencil icon, a dialog box will appear. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Slack is allowing you to enter new details for your channel. So, go ahead and type in your new header details. Remember, the header is essential for providing clarity about the channel's purpose to all members. Finally, once you're happy with your new header, click on the Save button. The reason we do this is to ensure all the changes you've implemented are saved and visible to all channel members. And there you have it. You've just learned how to customize Slack's channel header. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, customizing your channel header is an essential tool for facilitating clear communication within your team. Until next time, happy slacking.